Hi everyone, it's Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm going to take you on a tour of a standard room at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. This is in the Conch Key building. As we first come into the room, over here on our right is a nice little entryway with a seating area, plenty of place to drop off bags. Off here on our left is this beautiful bathroom, which is of course separated by a pocket door, double sinks, great lighting in here. Some storage down beneath. Victorian Mary Poppins inspired artwork. Another pocket door over here separates the water closet, which has a shower and tub combo in this specific room. The specific room also has the option to adjoin with the room next door. Over here on our left is our beverage station. We have a Keurig brand coffee maker, which does come stocked with what you would need. And then there is a beverage cooler down beneath. There are also Mary Poppins details here in this wallpaper. You can see her little carrot umbrella. Here we have our television. Nice deep drawers in that dresser. Here we have two beautiful queen-size beds, which have plenty of room for storage underneath. Off to our left here is our closet. Plenty of space. They provide these robes for us to use while we're here as well. And then on this side of the closet is where you're going to find your garment steamer, as well as a safe. Here's where your hairdryer is located as well. Beautiful cushioned headboards. The sofa over here actually pulls out into a day bed, which enables this room to sleep 5. We have more Mary Poppins inspired artwork here. I love the chandelier, the sweet little birds, and the molding on the ceiling. So beautiful. And out here we have a beautiful water view. So again, this is a standard room at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa.